Do you want people you mentioned to share your story on Instagram? In this video, I will show you how to allow mentioned users to share your Instagram story step by step so your friends and followers can repost your story when you tag them. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram app. In this page, you will find this sign of profile, so you will tap here. On above, you will click on these three lines, so you will click here. Then in this page, you will find a window called sharing, so you will tap on sharing. And after that, here in this page of sharing, you will find this window and you will click here on stories they are mentioned in, so you will tap here to enable this feature. As you see here, they said you allow people you mention in a story to share it with their audience for an additional 24 hours, as you see here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.